Looking to make your text really pop in Photoshop 2024? Today I'm going to walk you through a simple technique to highlight your text and make any design stand out, whether you're working on a social media post, a presentation, or just adding some flair to a personal project. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to apply a stylish highlight effect using just a few easy steps. Let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Photoshop. You don't need any particular version, but today I'm showing in the 2024 update, so things might look a little bit different if you're using an older one. Make sure your workspace is set up. If you're starting from scratch, just create a new document in the size you need. Now let's add some text. All you have to do is grab the text tool from your side toolbar. It looks like a T. Click anywhere on your canvas and type out your message. Take a second to pick your font, size, and color. Remember, legibility comes first, so choose something that's easy to read. Once your text looks the way you want, it's time to work some Photoshop magic. In your Layers panel, you should see your text layer listed. It's usually labeled with a T icon. What you'll do next is right-click on your text layer and select Blending Options. This opens up a whole menu of layer effects, which is really where the highlighting starts to take shape. If you've never used blending options before, don't worry, it's super intuitive. As you look over the Layer Style panel, you'll find a list of effects on the left side. Among them, you'll see Outer Glow. Go ahead and click that. Instantly, you'll notice your text gets a soft glow around the edges. This is our highlight effect. Now the real fun begins, customizing the glow to fit your design. Photoshop gives you plenty of control, and I encourage you to play around a bit to see what feels right. Let's slow down and look at the key settings for outer glow. You'll notice options for color, blend mode, opacity, spread, and size. The color is crucial. Choose a color that contrasts with your text and complements your background. For example, if your text is dark, a bright yellow or white glow can really help it stand out. Adjust the opacity. Higher values give a bolder effect, lower values are more subtle. Spread controls how far the glow radiates from the edges of your text, and size determines how soft or sharp the glow appears. If you want a smooth, gentle highlight, increase the size and keep the spread low. If you're aiming for something dramatic, try bumping up both spread and opacity. Take a moment here to experiment. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect on your first try. Sometimes dragging the sliders just a bit one way or another can make a huge difference. I like to think of this as tuning a guitar. Small tweaks lead to a big change in how everything comes together visually. Once you've dialed in the effect and your text feels highlighted and attractive, simply click OK to apply. And that's it. You've successfully added a professional-looking highlight to your text in Photoshop 2024. This technique is versatile, and you can use it to emphasize any important information or create a unique style for your projects. Before you head off, if you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like below. I'd love to hear if you have any questions. Just leave a comment and I'll be sure to help you out. And if you want more easy Photoshop tips, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.